shops, the same way you should do with brands. Just send emails. You're going to get a positive feedback very soon, and that is how you're going to get money. People charge. That's how people are making money.
We continue monetizing our talents.
Yes, exactly. So just monetize your hobby. So guys, my hair is all done. As you guys have seen, it's looking thanks to Pinky. You guys make sure you check out you guys make sure you check her out on her YouTube channel. She has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What's the name of your channel?
My channel's name is Pinky's Little World.
Yes. Yeah. And also check her out on Instagram if you want to make any bookings. All the links and her contacts will be down in the description box and here in the video as well. And subscribe to her channel, guys. She's almost at 1K. Please do me a favor. Go and watch the whole series of the video plus conversations plus more on her channel, and make sure you subscribe. There's going to be like a full episode and talked about. You're going to get it in her channel, so please make sure you go to her channel, subscribe, and let's get her to 1K peke. Sindio?
Please. 1K peke.
Yeah. Exactly.
Thank you guys.
So if you need her services, you're doing house calls.
Yeah, I do house calls on the weekends.
Yeah, your time when you're free on the weekends, give her a call. And you guys need to book in advance because her schedule is really tight. And you guys know I always plug you on the best.
Yeah, my Instagram is Pinky Braiding. If you want to do business, Pretty Pinky Personal.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
I feel so good, and they're totally painless. You guys try her out, and then you're going to let me know. Let me know, because you know I don't lie to you guys. Okay. So guys, let's go to Kamakunji, and then I'll talk to you after that. So I'm just picking out a few items for a client. I got this NutriBullet, and I just wanted to show you guys this other dish rack. Nitaonyesha in full in a few. So I'm still doing a lot of personalized shopping, and you guys have really come through for me. Thank you so much. So I just wanted to show you a few of the stuff that this shop has, items that I feel I haven't shown you guys before. So over here we have the pressure cookers. I don't know much about easy pressure cookers, but since there are some of you who have actually DM'd me and asked me about them, so when I saw them I decided to show you guys. So they are in different sizes. The smaller one is 4,500, the medium sized one is 55, and this one is a bigger one at 6,500. And all the currencies are in Kenya shillings, in case you're watching and you're not in Kenya, you know. So I don't know much about the pressure cooker. I have never used one before, but that's basically it. Even the decor, and we are done with our delivery. Guys, look at this new pants, new in stock. Fiti. The quality is really nice. And the price is 3,500 bob for that granite non-stick cooking pan with a wooden lid on top, you know. So it's quite costly, but I'm telling you the quality is worth it. It's an original deep frying pan, you know. So over here, this is the dish rack that I showed you guys. It's in matte black and it's anti-rustic. Okay, so and then at the top here, like there the other black one, that is a spice rack. So if you want a spice rack organizer, there you have it. This other one, guys, I love the wooden handle, and it's really heavy. Let me bring it over here. So this is part of the new stock. Like, I have never seen this non-stick cooking pan, and I thought I should show you guys. So as you can see, they have a lot of new stock, and this one, the quality is really nice. It's very heavy, and they are retailing at around 2,300, slightly negotiable. So bahati yako, you just never know. But I really love it. It's nice.
was bright and clear, and I could see I could do what I want, what I could think when I can do the stuff that I can't do now. Where did all my strength go? I don't know. Where the stuff I put long ago, I don't know. Cause even if I tried, I'm not enough. Cause even if it hurts, I won't give up. Long ago I was a child, now I'm not. Long ago I think I was happy. I think it's even if there was sadness, there's always hope. But I can't barely see myself living. I close my eyes, I feel calm, but I can keep it closed for much longer. Cause I can see far beyond my sight, that there is darkness that I'm afraid to fight. Stand up, I can't anymore, tough it up. I am weak, but even though I'm still here on my knees fighting.
Let me ask, hii ni farag, sindio? Like bedside, How much is it? 65. Iko na different colors. Gray available. Okay. These rugs are really nice. Hizi pia ni rugs, not like the throw za decor. Sindio? And how much? Kama hii 1800, but ni kafupi, right? Okay. Na hii ya white, hiyo 2000. It looks wider. Okay. The prices zikoje? 18. Okay, easy. Okay, zile refu. Let me see. Hiyo ni refu. Okay, hiyo ni refu. Hiyo ni how much? 2K. And then the short ones are 18. Okay, usitoanishe. Tatu ni Okay. Okay. E. Okay, yeah, 25. Okay, acha nitumie.
So we won't burn out, though it's not this bright anymore. What happened? really know, I don't really know. When I close my eyes I feel calm, but I can keep it close for much longer. Cause I can see far beyond my sight, that there is darkness that I'm afraid to fight. Stand up, I can't anymore.
I know this video is very weird, I know, but I just had to put like an outro. The video is just all over the place, it's not really organized, so let me apologize for that, guys. I have been quite busy, and then I'm feeling cold. I have headaches. I'm feeling so weak, like, you know, my joints are not feeling that strong, but I know it's the COVID jab. Yesterday I got the COVID jab, and these are just the side effects, you know. So yesterday I was not feeling anything. I was fine. I felt a small slight headache kwa umbali, but now today I woke up feeling like I've been hit by a tornado. Let me know, have you guys gotten the COVID-19 jab? And if you haven't, what's your reason for not getting it? Because for me I was just waiting to see the feedback and the response from people, and now that the cases are so bad I had to rush and get the jab, amongst other reasons, you know. So I just got it yesterday. But I know I've taken like a painkiller. They said when you feel the side effects and you have bad headaches, you should take some Panadol or something. So for me, it took mara moja. Like, is it just a few minutes ago? I know it's going to work, and then I'm going to be up on my feet in a few. Let me know your views about the jab. Let me know if you haven't gotten it. Why have you not yet gotten it? So the one that I got is the AstraZeneca, something of that sort. That's the jab that I got. Yeah, the one that comes in 2 doses. So that's the one that I got. I'm going to get the second jab in they said 8 weeks, in 2 months, 2 to 3 months. So yeah, I just want to take a nap, and I know I'm going to feel better in a few. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It's going to help YouTube to recommend my videos more. Please don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and if you're a regular, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my content. Yeah, and I love you so much, and don't forget that Jesus loves you more, and he always got you. Sawa? So I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Bye.